Yes, good morning students. Here children, how are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will start the new chapter, the noun number. Okay, the noun numbers. Okay, so let's see. Number, you know, number, it means singular and plural, one and many. Numbers means singular and plural, one and many. Okay, so let's see example. A man was throwing a stone at a frog. A man, here is a man is a singular. Okay, a man was throwing a stone at a frog. At a frog, frog is also singular. Okay, and some men, it means this is plural, some. Some means I told you in countable or uncountable noun that some is used for many. Okay, then men, some men were throwing, I mean some means कुछ, एक से ज़्यादा. It means here not many, some means एक से ज़्यादा, कुछ. Okay, men were throwing stones at frogs. Okay, तो यहाँ पे man is shows plural, many, man is shows here many. Okay, मतलब more than one, you can't say many but more than one. Okay, stones is also more than one and frogs is also more than one. मतलब कि एक से ज़्यादा है, ये एक नहीं है. Because here how to find out? It's here, देखो you can say it's plural noun. Okay, it's plural form of nouns. Frogs, s is include also, here is s include also, and here is men. Okay, man का man is singular, its plural is men. Okay, so here is men. So numbers means singular and plural, and in another word you can say one and many also. Okay, in another word you can say one and many. Okay student, singular and plural. Okay, singular means you can say one or plural means many. Not many मतलब more than one. Okay, more than one. Okay student, singular stands for one item. Singular means singular form is stand only for one item, one things, one place. Okay, and plural is stand for more than one. Plural is stand for more than once. Like you can say boy. Boy is singular. Boy is singular only, and boys are more than one. Boys are more than one. In another way, you can say girls. Girl is singular. Girls are plural. Okay. So these shows more than one, or these shows only singular thing, singular man, singular place. Okay, so singular stands for only for one thing, one place, one person, or plural stand for more than one. Understood? I hope you have understood. So students, common nouns, those are countable nouns. Common nouns, those are countable nouns, have singular and plural forms. I told you in countable or uncountable nouns topic. And abstract noun and uncountable noun. Okay, those are uncounted, those are uncountable, that we cannot count them. Okay, that we cannot count them. They don't have plural forms. They don't have plural forms. So let's see how to form plural. Okay, how to form plural nouns. Okay, most nouns from their plural forms. Most nouns from their plural forms by adding s. Okay, मोस्ट नाउन्स देखो, मोस्ट ऑफ नाउन्स फॉर्म their plural by adding s. Okay, by adding only s. Most of nouns form their plurals by form their plural by adding s. Okay, like boys, okay, girls, singular, it's singular, it's plural. Okay, boy, boys, girl, girls, door, doors. Okay, so let's see, at end of the noun we add only s, so it shows these are plural. Okay, flower and flowers, so it means these are plural and these are singular, because these all are stand only for one, or these all are stand only for, these all are stand more than one. Okay, because these all nouns shows these are more than one, and these all nouns shows these are only single. Okay, second formation, if any noun ends with s, sh, ch, x, or double s, so we add es end of the, okay, if any noun ends with s, sh, ch, x, double s, so we add es end of the noun to make them plural. Okay, let's see example, like bush, class, fox, okay, box, bench. Okay, these are singular. If you want to make plural of these noun, then how to make? Let's see, end of the noun you can check these letter I told you. If any noun ends with s, sh, ch, x, double s, we add es end of the noun. So double sh, here is, as you can check here, bush, it's end with sh, so you will add here bushes. I say that you have to add es. Okay, you have to add es. Then class, classes. Okay, then fox, foxes. Okay, box, boxes. Bench, benches. Okay, student. So you can check, we add es to make, we add here es to make them plural. Okay, so these are plural. Okay, these are plural and these are singular. Okay, student, these are singular and these are plural. Okay, I hope you are getting if any noun, I am repeating again, if any noun ends with sh, double s, x, okay, ch and double s, then we add es to make them, we add es, okay, at end of the word we add es to make them plurals, okay. Okay, third formation of, okay, like if any noun ends with consonant plus y, okay, consonant plus y, we add ies in place of y, okay. If any noun ends with consonant plus y, we add ies in place of y, मतलब y की जगह अगर कोई भी नाउन y से मतलब कॉन्सोनेंट प्लस y से एंड होता है तो हम उसको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए उसके लास्ट में y को हटा के, ओके, y को हटा के is ऐड करते हैं. लाइक यू कैन से कंट्री, country, baby, okay. So let's check here. Y before is a consonant, r is a consonant, okay, and y before consonant. So let's see how to make its plural. Countries, C, okay, babies. Okay student, you have to add ies after removing yes, okay, y को remove करके आपको ies ऐड करना. You have to add ies instead of y, okay. You have to remove y and you have to add instead of y you have to add ies, okay. So if any noun ends with vowel plus y, we add only s, okay, we add only s, okay, understood. If any noun ends with vowel plus y, we add only s, okay, like boy, key, donkey, tray, okay. So let's check. You can check y before there is vowel sound, y before there is vowel. So I said you, if any noun ends with vowel plus y, we add only s. We will not remove y, we will only add s, okay. So boys, okay, so make it plural, boys, keys, okay, donkeys and trays. Because y before there is vowel letter, okay, so we will not remove y, we add only s to make its plural, okay. I hope student you have understood how to form plurals, okay, how to form plural from singular, so you will not have any problem. So those exercise, those examples are given, those I make you understand. You have to learn them properly, okay? And you have to try to make other, you have to try to make other plural words from singular, okay? So thank you student. And second, listen student, second, those exercises are left in this chapter. I will tell you in next lecture, okay student? Thank you.